So here's the thing to understand. Yes, we know that polyiso is a closed cell foam. Typically, it's put in a board form. Typically, it has a foil face on it. We know that when it gets really cold out, like let's say, below 0 degrees C, that the R value does diminish. And I think I've seen testing that it will go down to, from R6, it might go down to R4. So if you really are concerned, then yeah, use something else. Is it a game changer? Um, it depends. I don't know. You got to be reasonable. Now, let's talk about the science of why this happens. Is because when the temperature drops, the blowing agent that is inside the cell condenses and clings to the wall of the cell structure, which increases the thermal conductivity. When it starts to warm up a little bit, it goes back into its vapor form, if you will, and the R value goes back up. So again, um, yes, it's not as good all around performance as, say, an XPS or maybe an EPS or something else. But again, I mean, rationalize its use based on what your needs are.